welcome to a little bit of Mailer Lite magic with Ruthie Gray from ruthiegray.mom. Today I want to show you how to create folders. Come into your campaign area, look at, see where it says folder. Let's say I want to make a folder, a new folder, and and organize all of my junk. Like as you can see, I have sent 126 cent campaign, so it's time to clean some house. I'll click add folder, and I'm going to write Monday Manna and then hit enter, because Monday Manna is the name of my weekly emails. So here is a Monday Manna. If I want to put that in that folder, I come over here to the left and click the box, and then I click move to, and then I'll come down and hit Monday Manna. Now it's in the Monday Manna folder. See, right there it is. Now if I want to go back to my folders, and let's say I want to delete a folder. Let's say I want to delete my Monday Manna folder. I can select folders, hit edit, and see there's a trash can right there. Or there's this little editing thing. I could rename it, or I could put it in the trash. And that's how you do it, folks. This is another installment of the Mailer Lite magic. Ooh!